What up, YouTube? Mr. Random here checking in, gang. Y'all see the last couple of videos we've been doing a little painting. Got the hood right here, came out pretty decent. Got a little trash up in it. The fender came out perfect. The passenger side, bumper came out perfect as well. I'm working on that other fender. I kept getting a reaction. So in today's video, we will be running our exhaust for our turbo. Y'all see, we got our flange right here. It's a 4-inch outside to 3 1/4 inside, and I have some 3-inch piping. Had to bring it to the exhaust shop and let them expand the tip out to 3 1/4, so I'll be able to fit inside this here flange. Y'all see that? So that'll be able to give me something to weld to. I also have another 3-inch right here. I'm gonna cut down, get him fitted in place, and we're gonna try to get it tacked up so we can put our fender on our car, gang. So comment, like, share, subscribe. Y'all know we coming back with plenty more, gang. So let's get it. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Alright, gang, y'all see us cut down. It ain't the prettiest, but let's see how we line up to what we got. Alright, I'm gonna try to cut some more off of here. Alright, guys, y'all see our pipe is a little long. It's hitting our firewall. So what we need to do, I need to tack it onto my V-band. But first I'm gonna mark the end of this pipe so I can start another bend to continue my run.
Alrighty, guys, here we are right now. You see, we have our machine turned up a little high, so we're kind of burning through it. We want to deal with it and go ahead and get them all tack weld those spots closed. Let's go. Alright, gang. Hope y'all enjoying the video, man. If you is, make sure you go ahead, leave your guy a big thumbs up. Let's get it.